Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change your Tesla Model 3 cabin filter. Maintaining a clean cabin filter is crucial for healthy air inside your car, especially for those with allergies. This simple do-it-yourself task can significantly improve your driving experience. We will cover everything from gathering your tools to the final reassembly, making sure you feel confident throughout the entire process. Let's get started and breathe easier. To begin, open your passenger side front door and the glove box. Next, gently use your trim removal tool to pry off the right side trim panel, revealing the area behind it. This panel is held by clips, so it should come off with a firm but careful pull. Once the panel is removed, you will see the cabin filter housing cover, which is secured by a small screw. Now, unscrew the single screw that secures the filter housing cover. Carefully remove the cover and then pull out the two old cabin filters. Pay close attention to how they are oriented, as the new filters must be installed in the same direction. The airflow arrows on your new HEPA filters should point towards the rear of the vehicle. Gently slide both new filters into their slots until they are fully seated. With the new filters in place, reattach the filter housing cover and secure it with the screw. Next, align the side trim panel and firmly press it back into position until all clips snap into place. Finally, close your glove box. Turn on your vehicle's climate control system to ensure everything is functioning correctly and enjoy your fresh, clean cabin air. You have successfully changed your Tesla Model 3 cabin filter.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.